Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common but frustrating issue with the Frigidaire FPRU19F8WF all-refrigerator model, getting it out of demo mode. You might be experiencing this if your brand new refrigerator has been delivered, or perhaps after a power outage. The lights turn on, the control panel works perfectly, but the most important part, the cooling, isn't happening at all. This is called demo mode, or sometimes showroom mode. It is a special setting used in retail stores to showcase the fridge's features like the lights and display without running the energy-intensive cooling system. It is surprisingly easy to activate by accident, but thankfully, it is just as easy to disable once you know the correct procedure. In this guide, I will walk you through the very simple steps to turn off demo mode and get your refrigerator cooling down your food and beverages properly. First, let's just confirm that you are indeed in demo mode. Open the refrigerator door. Are the interior lights on as they should be? Can you press the buttons on the control panel, which is usually located on the top interior frame of the unit, and see the display respond to your touches? If you answered yes to these questions but you cannot hear the faint hum of the compressor or any fans running, and the inside still feels like room temperature even after being plugged in for a while, then you are almost certainly in demo mode. Some displays might even have a small icon or text that explicitly says demo to make it even clearer. Now for the solution, which is much simpler than you might think. The entire process involves pressing a specific combination of buttons on your control panel. For this Frigidaire FPRU19F8WF model, you will need to press and hold two specific buttons at the same time. Locate the settings button and the plus button used for the temperature controls. You need to press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Keep them held down with a firm, steady pressure for about 3 to 5 seconds. After holding the buttons for a few seconds, you should get a confirmation that it worked. The control panel will likely make a beeping sound, and any demo mode indicator on the display should disappear. The most important sign of success, however, is the sound you will hear next. Listen very closely. Within a minute or two, you should finally hear the compressor kick on. It will sound like a low, steady hum coming from the back or bottom area of the refrigerator. This is the sound of your refrigerator's cooling system starting up, meaning it is now officially out of demo mode and will begin to cool down to the temperature you have set. If that specific button combination didn't work, don't worry. There is another thing you can try. Sometimes, a simple power cycle is needed to reset the control board. Go ahead and unplug your refrigerator from the wall outlet. Wait for about 5 full minutes before plugging it back in. This allows all the internal electronics to fully discharge and reset. As soon as the unit powers back on, immediately try the procedure again, press and hold the settings and plus buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds. This often resolves the issue if the first attempt was unsuccessful. And just like that, your refrigerator should be working correctly, chilling everything inside as intended. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If this video helped you solve your problem, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow appliance tips and repair guides. Your support is what allows us to continue making helpful content for everyone.